to the channel. In this video, we shall look at the Boldtrail CRM guide, and this is a full guide to this. So quickly, let's start up by reading over here. It says Boldtrail combines the inside real estate portfolio of solutions into one cohesive ecosystem. So this means the portfolio inside the real estate solutions is combined into together one ecosystem. So this is used in mainly powering and streamlining your workflow to drive maximum productivity. So here are some of the key notes to take in this. You'll experience most of the robust next generation real estate tech solutions from AI empowered smart CRM. Okay, so guys, point to note, it can be customized. As you can see here, you can customize the IDX websites, and also it has other benefits over here. You can choose from the churn to the champions, from agents to turnover. You can come and read a lot of these articles, but basically that is it about the Boldtrail. So even here they have a small video. You can read it over here. It was posted in 20th June 2024, and it's all about real estate ecosystem solutions and portfolio in downstreaming and also maximizing productivity. That's it, guys. Like and subscribe. We shall meet.